Hey Unreal developers, welcome back to the channel. This week, Unreal Engine 5.4 has dropped some amazing updates that you absolutely need to know about. Let's dive right in and explore the hottest new features. This week has been a game changer for Unreal Engine 5.4 users. From cutting-edge graphical improvements to powerful new tools, there's a lot to get excited about. Let's break down the top updates and what they mean for your project. First up, we have the enhanced Lumen lighting system. With improved global illumination and reflections, your game environments will look more realistic than ever. Whether you're creating dark, moody scenes or bright, vibrant worlds, Lumen has got you covered. Next, let's talk about Nanite. This week's update brings significant performance boosts, allowing you to handle even more complex geometries without breaking a sweat. It's like giving your game an instant upgrade in detail and performance. Animation enthusiasts, this one's for you. The latest update introduces new tools for more fluid and lifelike animations. Whether you're working on character movements or intricate cutscenes, these enhancements will make your animations stand out. Metahuman has also received some love this week. With new customization options and improved facial rigging, creating realistic human characters is easier and more detailed than ever. Bring your characters to life with these powerful tools. Finally, the AI tools have seen significant improvements. From smarter navigation to more intuitive behavior trees, creating intelligent and responsive NPCs has never been easier. Your game's AI is about to get a whole lot smarter. And there you have it, the hottest updates from Unreal Engine 5.4 this week. These new features are set to transform your game development experience. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and keep creating epic games.